After Lauren Jauregui admits she was advised to keep her sexuality to herself in Fifth Harmony's early days, she's now opening up about her brave decision to come out to the public. Lauren's always been known to just say what's on her mind, and that's one of the many reasons why we love her. It is never easy coming out to family and friends, but just imagine coming out to the entire world. Fifth Harmony's Lauren Jauregui explains why she was advised to keep her sexuality to herself in an interview with Out magazine, stating the initial reason being, quote, "A lot of artists are held back by the notion that they'll lose their fan base or alienate themselves." Lauren first came out to the public as bisexual in a letter she wrote to President Trump back in 2016, but was even advised by the people closest to her not to come out. She said, quote, "Even friends and family would tell me to keep it to myself, but the more I thought about it, the more I was like, why?" But although it seems like her fan base for the most part commended her for being so open about her sexuality and possibly even respect her more, she revealed that she still gets criticized for it. She said, "People still talk shit, but it's like, why does it make you feel gross? You can watch a kid get bombed and not do anything about it, but you can't watch me kiss my girlfriend? Go yourself." But even Lauren feels uncomfortable labeling herself as bisexual, as she'd rather be labeled as nothing more than a free spirit. And when asked about the duet she did with Halsey called Strangers, Lauren recalled Halsey's text to her asking her to switch the pronouns from he to she, to which Lauren said she was thinking the same thing. She opened up more about the song and its importance, saying, "To me, the song is culturally valuable because people are feeling so invalidated and distant from themselves, like they should be ashamed of who they are. It's good to be an anarchist and just love yourself." That's the most rebellious thing you can do right now. Well, I couldn't have said it better myself, and I'm sure I'm not the only one who gives Lauren major respect for being so open in a world that still seems to reprimand people for doing so. But right now, I want to know all your thoughts on Lauren's interview with Out, so get to talking down here in the comments, and after that, you can click right over here to see what Demi Lovato had to say about her sexuality. Thanks for hanging out here with me on Clevver News. I'm your host, Naz Perez, and I'll see you next time.